Okay, this is Miss Alana with part 2. So the last video cut me off at number 5. So I was finishing explaining that. So we said it cannot be 1 foot because 1 foot is the same thing as 12 inches, which is the whole ruler, which is longer than your paper. So the glue stick can't be that size. All right. And the last one, I crossed that out. I thought it was recording me, but it wasn't. But now I'm checking and it is recording me. So a glue stick cannot be 4 miles. So 1 mile is maybe from here to the gas station. 4 miles might be from your house to the school. So can that be how tall a glue stick is? Oh no, that would be a crazy glue stick. We're going to glue the whole earth. So no, that is definitely not the answer. So the answer is what? D, 3 inches for that. All right, let's go to number 6. OMG, there's no number 6. I don't know what happened, but it looks like it should have printed it right there, but that's weird. There's no number 6. So we're just going to skip number 6 and move on to number 7. All right, number 7 says, what time is shown? So which hand do we start with? The long one or the short one? So we have to start with the hour hand first. Which one is the hour hand? The short hand is the hour hand. And where is it? No, it's not quite on the 2. Look, do you see it's almost at the 2, but it's in the middle of 1 and 2. See, it's between 1 and 2. So that means I know it's 1 something. Okay, it's not 1 o'clock, it's 1 something. So that is your hour hand. That is the what? Hour hand. I'm going to write that down. Hour hand. And then the longer hand is the what? That is the minute hand. Minute. M-I-N-U-T-E hand. And how do we count the minutes? We count by 5. So we start at the 1. Okay, count 5 with me. Go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then 0. Okay, so 0 starts right there. So what is the time? It is 1:40. Okay, so I'm going to write the time is 1:40. All right, let us look at number 8. Number 8 says, which is the place value of the 2 in the number, say this number with me, 5,132. Okay, 5,132. So where is the 2? The 2 is right there. Is that the hundreds, the tens, the thousands, or the ones? That 2 is the ones place. Now, which digit is in the hundreds place? Can you see which is in the hundreds? The 1 right there, 100. I'm going to write the 1 right there. Which one's in the tens place? The 3 right there, the 3. And what about the thousands place? Which digit is in the thousands? The 5. And then we said which was in the ones place? The 2. Okay, so make sure you know your place value. Okay, make sure you know that. Let's look at number 9. All right, number 9. Read it with me while I read it. The combined weight of 3 gorillas was 1,181 pounds. Oops. If gorilla A weighed 215 pounds and gorilla B weighed 220 pounds, how much did gorilla C weigh? All right, so let's read that again. The combined weight. Combined means what? Put together. So there's a key word right there, combined. That means I have to put them together. Is that add, subtract, multiply, or divide? That's adding, okay? So there are how many gorillas? 3 gorillas. There are 3 gorillas. And all the gorillas together weigh how much? 1,181 pounds. Okay? Now, gorilla A weighed how much? So gorilla A weighed 215 pounds. And gorilla B weighed what? 220 pounds. So what do we have to figure out? We have to figure out how much gorilla C weighed. All right, so this is our question. How much did gorilla C weigh? Now I am going to draw a picture. All right, what picture am I going to draw? Okay, I'm not good at drawing. I'm going to do my best. I don't want to draw gorillas. I'm just going to draw circles, okay? So this is gorilla A. This is gorilla B. And this is gorilla C. Gorilla A weighed how much? 215. So I am going to write 215 right there. And what about B? 220 pounds. I'm going to write that there. What about C? Well, we don't know. So I am going to put a question mark right there. Now, if I add all the weights together, what do you get? The total, which was 1,181. So now I have to figure out what number do I add to these numbers to give me that. So let me show you how we'll do that. What we'll do first is let's add A and B together. All right, so to add A and B together, I am going to do 215 plus 220. So let's add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so now I have to figure out, so that's for A and B. I have to figure out what else I need to add to give me that. Now, since I don't know that, what do? I will subtract, okay? So take this 1,000, so we write the biggest number on top, 1,181, and I will subtract the 435. Now make sure, look, this is 400. So I have to write the 4 in the hundreds place, which is right here. 35, 435. And let's subtract. So same subtraction rules, okay? Don't get confused and don't get scared because it's thousands. We can do it. So first we start there. 1 take away 5. Can you do 1 take away 5? Oh no. So what does the 1 have to do? Borrow from a friend. Number 8. I need to borrow. Okay. So I cross out the 1 and the 8. The 8 becomes a 7 and the 1 becomes an 11. So now I can do 11 take away 5. So count, put 5 in your mind. Count to 11. 5. Count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much is that? 6. How about 7 take away 3? What's that? 4. And then 1 take away 4. Oh, can't do it. I gotta borrow. Okay. All right, so the 1 borrows from that 1. So this 1,000 really becomes a 0,000, and that 1 becomes 11. And 11 take away 4. Start at 4. Count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that is what? 7. So 746 is our answer. 746 what? Pounds. And what weighed 746 pounds? Gorilla C. Oh, whoa, look at that. That one weighed 746, and the other ones were 215 and 220. Oh, they must be the baby. And maybe that's the mommy. I don't know. All right, are we ready for the last one? Okay, let's do number 10. Read number 10 with me. Carol spent 75 minutes drawing at school and 14 minutes drawing at, oh, I didn't show you drawing, at home. How many minutes total did she spend drawing? Ooh, raise your hand if you like to draw. Okay, so I don't see any numbers. Where are the numbers? They are in word form. So Carol spent 75 minutes drawing where? At school. I am going to underline that. 75 minutes drawing at school. That is an important fact and information we need. And what else do we need to underline? 14 minutes drawing where? At home. Now we have a key word. What's our key word? Let's look at the question. It says, how many minutes total did she spend drawing? What is our key word? Total. And total means we have to do what? Add. So what do we need to add? The 75 plus what? The 14. So 75 plus 14. We line them up vertically. And we add in the ones place. 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. And that was easy. 89 what? 89 minutes. All right, so I hope you understand how to do these problems now on your own. Make sure you practice, practice, practice. And if you don't understand, just watch it back over so you can learn even more.